In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a cover page in Microsoft Word. If you want to be an expert in making such a wonderful cover page in Microsoft Word, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft Word document. Let me go to Layout, go to Size, make it A4. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a hexagon shape over here. Holding the Shift key, drag it over here like this and place it here. Make it bigger and place it like this. Again go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this and place it here. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now click the hexagon shape and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here and make it smaller, and resize this, place it like this. Now this is perfect. Now let me click on this shape, click on Format Shape, go to Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, click on Insert, click on From File. I have to select a picture. This is a picture. Let me click on Insert. Now go to Line. Here select white color and white 20 pt. Now let me select this one and this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now click on this shape, go to Shape Fill, select the fill color from here. Now select this one, go to Shape Fill, select the fill color from here. Select this one, go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color. You may select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to Gradient Fill and change the gradient. A linear right. Select this one, go to Shape Fill, Gradient Fill, this one linear down. Select this one, Shape Fill, Gradient Fill, linear down. Now I have to insert another shape. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, the hexagon shape and drag it over here like this. Select this one, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now select this one and click on group it and paste it like this. Go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color and place it here. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Shape Fill, make it no fill. Let me see, right here Annual Sales Report. Change the font size and you may change the font color from here. You may resize it. Now let me go to Insert. I have to add a logo. This device, here is the logo. Click on Wrap Text in front of text. Resize it by holding the Shift key and paste it like this. I have to write the company name by pressing the Ctrl key. Let me copy this text box and remove this. Here let me write the company name. Now here I have written the company name. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a oval shape and by holding the Shift key drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Shape Fill, make it this fill color. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Select both of these shapes. Go to Align, go to Distribute horizontally. Now go to Insert, go to Icons, select these icons, click on Insert, go to Wrap Text in front of text and place it here and resize it and place it like this. You may change the graphics fill to white fill. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Click on right button. Click on Change Graphics, click on From Icons. You may change the another graphics, the human. Here select this one. Let me click on this one. Go to Graphics, change graphics from icon. Here IQ, Insert. Now I have to add some text. Let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, text box and draw it. Shape Fill, no fill. Shape Outline, no outline. And right here Growth. Ctrl D to make it duplicate So if I want to watch the print preview, let me click on Ctrl P, and here is my cover page is totally ready. So if you want to download the format, check the description box. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.